What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. Nah, I mean, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing on the Fenix LD30. On the front, you already can see it's a compact, ultra compact flashlight with a high output of 1600 lumens. Olight, Fenix coming after you because Warrior Mini, which was recently, under the recall right now. 1600 lumens. The Warrior Mini is only 1500. Ooh. It can throw 205 meters maximum. And you got an intelligent downshift and, just like every other flashlight, that's nice. 5 years warranty, free repair. Free repair, 5 years. So it's just like the Olight pretty much. The battery's included. It got a nice little magnet case here, like iPhones do. See, the light's inside, display window. You can see everything right there. I ain't gonna read it. You can read that if you want. Pause. The side of the box, they use WeChat and Facebook. They on Instagram too. You want to see this? Pause. Nice packaging. I would say it's similar to Olight's packaging. Maybe Olight's nicer, honestly. Okay, so we got a lot of shit here. I'm gonna have a lot of shit in my garbage. Oh, there's some nice magnets here. I'm gonna rip those off before I throw this box away. It's fairly strong. So over here we got warranty card, which I will throw away because I ain't filling that out and I can't read most of that. They do have English on it, but here you go. A lot of shit I don't plan on reading. And no, I was not paid by Fenix. This stuff wasn't provided to me. I bought this. I used a discount code from them because my LD01 was broken and they said that's discontinued, so they gave me a discount code of 25% off and I used it on their store. I picked the LD30 because I really wanted a tail cap switch light. I don't really need this. The light is fairly simple to use. You get one extra O-ring gasket and a lanyard. Keep that on the side. Not going to be needing that because I don't carry my lights on the lanyard. Here's the charging wire for the battery because I believe this one is one of those lights where you can plug into the battery. That's convenient, but it's alright. Little holster. Fenix. I don't really carry my lights on a holster, but this is a good accessory to have on the side just in case one day I'm doing something and I really want to carry it on my belt. E18R. They're advertising a smaller light here. Almost looks like a S1R from Olight. I know I keep referencing Olight because I'm familiar with Olight, and most of you are too. They're like the most popular brand that people know about or hate on. But they got the best marketing out there, even better than Fenix. Got PD36R, 1600 lumens. That's a very popular one right there. This one's kind of popular, but not a little less. And E18R, I haven't actually seen people talk about. Alright, so I'm going to throw that straight in the box because that going in the trash. This one's going in the trash too. The only stuff I'm going to be keeping is this holster, wire, and this. I'll just find somewhere to dump it in because the O-ring might be useful. The gasket. We got this in a little plastic shell case. Pull this thing out. This definitely going in the trash. You know what I mean? Anyways, here's the light. You got a stupid little thing here. Insulation sheet. Tell you some shit. Anyways, here you go. Fenix, damn it. I think I heard so many people say Fenix, it messed up my pronunciation. Fenix LD30. There's my serial number. little rubber. That's plastic. Yep, that's plastic. Got a nice little copper tone ring here. Looks fancy. And it matches here. That looks fancy, honestly. I mean, the S2R2 is already one of the best looking Olights out there. Blue, anodized blue, magnetic tail cap for charging. This Olight's already one of the better looking ones in terms of matching the color with the switch and the ring around the light, the bezel, and the clip. This one got this and this matching. Little ring around the button. And that's it. Size comparison. We're going to talk right here. Switch sticks out a little. So there you go. It's a good, decent size difference there. This is more like the Warrior Mini size, honestly, this one. Maybe it's a little longer than the Warrior Mini, and the head's a little wider probably, because look how you can see right there. There you go. So on this light, it only can be turned on from here. You cannot press this switch and turn on anything. Only tail cap activation. You got one. Alright, so you only could do on and off here. You know, remember what you kept it on last. This is the lowest mode. I'm embarrassed right now because I don't know what lumens that is. Actually, that is low. No, this is eco. You got 30 lumens. Then you have low, which is 150. You got medium at 350. High at 800. And turbo at 1600. Alright, so this is turbo on 1600. Let's compare it to the Olight on turbo double tap. Honestly, this one looks more yellow and neutral. This one's more cool white. You can see right there. You can see. I'll keep the lights behind the in front of the camera. One is definitely more focused than the other. I think the Fenix is going to be a better thrower, honestly. It seems like it, at least. Maybe not. Can't tell. Right now I'm in a bright room. But let's see. They both feel kind of warm now at this point. Anyways, let's put the... So when you turn it on, you tap once, it goes up. Next setting, next setting, next setting, and then the brightest. If you double tap this, no, it's not double tap. I'm sorry. I'm playing with too many lights and it's messing me up. If I hold it down, it goes straight to strobe. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't tell you guys I was strobing. This is in strobe. If you tap it one more time, it's going to go in SOS mode. And let's see how long you can SOS with this. Oh, it doesn't tell you. Strobe doesn't tell you the life either. Run time. Damn, the run times on this thing ain't that great, honestly. If I had to be honest. Eco mode only runs on 70 hours and 30 minutes. It's not that great. Low mode goes... Where is it? Low mode is 17 hours, 30 minutes. Medium is 5 hours, 30 minutes. High mode is 1 hour, 55 minutes. And turbo is 1 hour, 30 minutes. But it will have to step down when it gets too hot. Alright, so this light, it remembers what you used last. So there you go. It's a very simple UI. And you know what? I believe in simple. What's that saying people like to say? Keep it simple, stupid. And Fenix did that. Honestly, when the Warrior Mini V2 comes out, I don't even know if I feel like getting that, because I feel like this will beat that. And the Warrior Mini might just have a moonlight that's really low, like 5 lumens or 1 lumen. Then that might be the only advantage over this. Forgot to show you the battery. This is where you charge the battery. There you go. This isn't one of those lights that come apart in 3 pieces on the tail and the top, but it's okay. This shit goes in first, alright? Negative in first because the spring is down there. Just know that. And close that up. The reds are pretty smooth. No complaints. That's hot. That's hot. I'm sure this could melt the lens too. It's plastic. So be careful. I'm not even sure if this has lockout mode because I didn't read. But it's alright. Let's see. Okay. It might not have lockout mode, but you know what? I don't care. There's no real reports of the Fenix LD30 turning on by itself because it doesn't turn on from here. And also this switch is very hard to push. You ain't gonna push this. And I also like this over the Olight because you can tail down, bezel down carry in your pocket. This one's only bezel up. When you're carrying it in your pocket, this is what you see, alright? If someone's looking at your pocket for some reason because they're interested in you or something, I don't know, they're going to see this shiny piece and it's going to give away, tell everyone, oh, he's carrying a flashlight. They shouldn't feel threatened by a flashlight, but they might stare at your other pocket, if whatever else you're carrying, you know. But that's what you see if you're carrying the Fenix LD30. It's just a regular way, tail down, bezel down and bezel up here. So that's a preference there. I think most people prefer bezel down. I was thinking about it with the Warrior Mini, and I'm like, why are all their lights bezel up? And I figure Olight is worried that their flashlights are going to turn on in their pocket and melt their pocket and fall right through or something. Or like it'll burn, oh shit. Or it'll burn their legs or something. Because if it's like this, you have a higher chance to burn your thigh. If it's like this, you'll burn your shirt because it's sticking out of your pocket. But if you're carrying it like this, you might, inside your pocket like this, you might burn something else down there if you were a guy. Let's not talk about that. You know what I mean? Although I don't think I have children on watching my channel. I'm not sure. So, yeah. I did a shock test right there. A little drop. That wasn't even a drop. I'm just joking, guys. That ain't a drop at all. That was just a little knockover. We know that these lights are very durable and can take a shock of like 2 meters. Most of them are 2 meters. Okay, never mind. I think the S2R is 2 meters, but this one says 1 meter. But honestly, it probably survived the same thing. This thing feels like nice and heavy. You know what I mean? Probably using the same kind of metal. This also can use the CR12A. 123A instead of just the 18650. Gives you some flexibility when it comes to your power source, which is really nice because if you have it, but you know what, 18650 is better than your 2 CR123As because you got more power, so you're gonna want to use that. All right, so yeah, man, this is my little unboxing and overview of the Fenix LD30. And I hope you guys like that. Know what I mean? So, please give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like this video. Subscribe. Hit the bell button for notifications if you like. Follow me on IG, TimZUSA. And until next time. Tim Z out.